If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm doing a What I Eat in the Day video on the Personal Points Plan. It is day 4 of Vlogmas 2021. So I'm going to take you along with me on my day, on what I do. So come on along and share the day with me. I'm going to start with breakfast, and I'm going to have some hash browns with eggs. It's one of my favorite breakfasts. So let's get started on today. I love to start off the morning walking down the hallway and see my beautiful tree lit up for Christmas. It's a great way to start the day. And so is having one of my favorite breakfasts. I'm going to make some hash browns with some eggs, and it's a 0-point breakfast, and it's really tasty. I like having potatoes for 0 points on the new Personal Points Plan, but I see that might be a problem if you eat too much of that. But that's what I'm going to have this morning. I'm going to saute a few onions in some butter spray before I add the potatoes to the pan. And I'm adding some frozen hash browns to the pan. And I'll season them with some salt, pepper, and garlic, and a little bit of onion powder. And that, my friends, is one of my favorite breakfasts. It's 0 points to eggs over hash browns. Yummy. For lunch, I'm making a pizza. I'm using one of these Extreme Wellness spinach and herb wrap as the crust. And I'm going to pre-bake it in the oven so it crisps up a little bit. Once the spinach and herb tortilla is toasted up a little bit, I will add some sauce. This will be a 1/4 cup for 1 point. And I'll spread that around. I'm going to actually take a little bit off because I don't really like it that saucy. Then I will put a 1/4 cup of low-fat mozzarella cheese for 2 points. And then I'm going to put 10 pieces of turkey pepperoni for 1 point. And then I will pop it in the oven till it to cook through for probably about 10 minutes. And there's my 5-point lunch. It's nice pizza, and it's a good substitute for a higher point pizza when you have a taste for it. So that's my lunch today, 5 points on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan. After lunch, I am taking a ride down to the casino for something to do. Didn't get too many steps in today. They're giving away free grocery store gift cards, so I'm gonna go get one of those. And I'm wearing mittens for the first time. Since I've been back from Florida, I haven't worn mittens in years. It's cold here. Talk to you later. Getting some steps inside of the casino tonight. Here are some scenes walking around the casino, the walkway to seeing downtown Cleveland. Here's inside the Jack, and I ran into my brother at the casino. For dinner, I am making some shrimp fried rice. I'm sauteing a little bit of light butter, about 1/4 cup. Then I chopped up some scallions. I add a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. And I'm going to heat that through a little bit. And I have already cooked the rice. And once the vegetables are sauteed, I will add the rice that I cooked. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce, and I probably add about a half a cup. And then once that is heated through, I will add shrimp that I thawed out and eggs. I added the shrimp to the fried rice, and I will cook it for about 6 minutes. Then I'll add the scrambled eggs to the fried rice and mix it up, and that'll be dinner. I'm also making a couple pot stickers. They're chicken and vegetable, and those will be on the side. So here's my dinner, a serving of shrimp fried rice for 8 points, and 3 pot stickers are 5 points. So that is a 13-point dinner. This is my snack for the evening. I'm having a graham cracker for 2 points with 1 teaspoon of peanut butter and 12 rice cakes. The rice cakes are 4 points. The peanut butter on the graham cracker is 3, so that is 7 points, and that's going to end my day on points. But I had a taste for something crunchy, snacky, and this is what I came up with. I'm also having a glass of ice water that I flavored with these raspberry black tea drops from Great Value. These are really good, and they're 0 points, and they flavor up the water really good. So I got back from the casino. I had a good night at the casino. I won about $500. So that was pretty lucky. I did not get all my steps in today, or even most of them. I was kind of short. I didn't get to the gym. Walked around the casino a little bit, but didn't hit my goals. So we just got to make sure we pick up that walking or fitness. But I did have a good day today. I am sticking to my points, staying on track, tracking my food on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Program. I hope you enjoy what I eat in a day, get some ideas, and we can do this together. I used 26 points. I had earned an extra point for water or vegetables or something. I have to figure that out yet, how that exactly works. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. If you have any other ideas you'd like to see during my Vlogmas series, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.